How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are unboxing the iPhone SE 2nd generation in red. This is my box that was just shipped to me from Apple directly. So if we look on the back of the box, you can see they give their kind of battery warning information. But let's go ahead and pop this box right open and see exactly how they package it, and then open up the phone right away. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Okay, so they package it kind of like that with this plastic cellophane that just holds it down right into it. That's kind of interesting. All right, let's go ahead and pop this right off right here. Throw the packaging aside, and here we have the phone itself, the nice red colored variation with the black face on it. So they used to have the white face on the previous ones. Now we've got the black face. It says iPhone, has the Apple logo, which is it is in red as well, which is really cool. So that's a nice touch to it. Same with the actual writing itself. It is all nicely in red. And I have a 64 gigabyte variation. I'm not going to show you down below because I don't want you to see my number on there. But there we go, 64 gigabyte variation. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. I'm just going to peel it just like that, sideways. And then we'll put it flat. And let's go ahead and pop open that plastic there, take that off, and then the wow display of it. There we go. All right, let's pop this stuff right here, and we'll put that aside for a second. We'll look at that in a second. Let's have a look at the actual phone itself, and there it is. Beautiful looking phone. So that nice black face, and we go around to the back, and there it is sitting right there. Let's go ahead and peel this off right away. Oh, I love the sound of just peeling off that fresh plastic, fresh phone. Let's go ahead and have a closer look at the phone itself. So you can see the nice camera on there, the flash, your microphone roost right down there. And you notice the Apple logo is now placed in the back of the phone in the middle. Before it was placed right up here, they moved it down here on all the newer phones, and it just says product red just right there, you can see. And we go to the bottom right here, obviously no headphone jack, there's just your charger, your speakers, and microphone down there. Your button for Touch ID, just right on the black piece right there. On the sides, we do have the volume up and down buttons. We've got the switch for your mute on and off, and then this is your antennas built right in there. And your antennas built right in there as well. And if we look on this side, you can see we've got your lock mute button right there, and we've also got your SIM card tray right there, which you're just going to use a little pokey thing to poke it in. But that's your phone itself. Very, very nice. I've already fingerprinted it up, but that's okay. Let's put that aside. Let's have a look at what's inside. So we've got our standard North American 5-watt charging block right there. Pretty standard. It's included with all of them. Then we've got your headphones, which I don't know who really uses these type of headphones now. Everyone's got the AirPods now, but we've got the headphones right there. And then if we actually open these up, these are the ones that go into your lightning adapter. So if you want to use these, you can. I have AirPods, so I'm not going to be using those. We'll throw those aside. Then we have our lightning cable. It's your standard 3-foot in length lightning cable. I'm sure if you have an Apple product, you've got a ton of these lying around already right now. And let's go ahead and have a quick look at what they include in the product red version of this phone. You can see some sort of red thing right here. Ooh, very nice. Okay. Red, product red. So we got some quick startup guides. Mine's a Canadian version, so you can see they got the French and English variation. And then there is your SIM ejector tool, which you can use to push into the side of your phone and insert your SIM card. And our Apple stickers, the standard Apple stickers that are included with all of your Apple products and iPhones and all that stuff. But there we have it, iPhone SE 2nd generation. I'm going to insert my SIM card, start it up. I'll have a lot more videos for you coming up in the future. Don't forget to check out my case videos as well, as I do a whole case video breakdown on this coming up. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.